Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to start a thread on Slack. So if you're in any conversation or speaking with someone and you want to continue or start a thread on a conversation, you can easily do that. Find that message, hover over it and look towards the right hand side. You'll find a reply button. Click on that. It will also say reply in thread. You can go ahead and start by clicking on that and say whatever you want. So I'm gonna just say something here. Basic that. So I'm gonna just write just checking on the progress of this task and just simple click and send. And as you can see right there, it actually starts a thread conversation. So you can see right there that the thread is started and it shows one reply, and anyone wants to continue that, they will just click the reply and continue the conversation, whatever. I'm going to just put something else again and it shows two replies and it will continue. That is actually super cool because it keeps the chat actually really clean and every conversation direct and concise to that specific topic. And that's it guys, very easy and very simple.